In this video, we will learn how to install application or a program on Mac, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air or any other Mac device. So let's begin. Application on Mac, there are two ways. The first one is to install it by downloading the file from internet or from any storage device, and the second one is through the App Store. So first we would download and install from the browser, and here just go and search it for any application you want to download and install. In my case, I'm going to download and install Sublime Text. And while you're downloading, make sure that you download the OS X version or Mac version. So here it is. Just go and open that file. And the process of the installation will be started. And here it is. And here what you have to do is just go and select this and drag this in the application. This icon in the application. So here it is. And once you have dragged this in the applications, it would start copying it and going to the Finder. In the applications, you can see there is a Sublime Text now. So here it is. You can just go and open that. And there is a second way, that is through the App Store. For that, just go and open your App Store. And here it is. And here just go and click on any of the software you want to download and install. For that, just go and click on Get, and it would pop up and install. Just go and tap on install. Make sure that you are logged in with your Apple ID. Otherwise, you won't be allowed to install any application. So the download will be started and the installation will be completed without any next or anything you need to do. So hope by doing so you would understand how to install the application. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.